Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to share with you. We're going to show you how to transform the characters in your videos into stunning 3D characters. Yes, you heard it right. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and see the magic unfold. Search Wonder Dynamic into your browser. Wonder Dynamic, transform your videos instantly with this web-based tool that converts characters into stunning 3D animations. Elevate your video editing game with ease and creativity. Let's sign up Wonder Dynamic. Click on Sign Up. Now click on Sign Up with Google. Now Wonder Dynamic dashboard open. Here we see many Chracters. If you have to use these Chracters, click on any Chracter and then click on Use in Project. And there are many templates. I use this template in my project. Click on Use in Project. Now this template open in my project. In sidebar we see many Chracters. If you have to use these Chracters, drag and drop Chracter in your project. When you drag and drop Chracter, then click on Next button. There we see property of my project. If you have to render your project, click on Start Processing. See, my project is render. If you have to play your project, click on Project. If you have to use another templates, repeat previous steps. Now I render another project. Now see this. If you have to import your own project, click on Create New Project. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more exciting tutorial.